you have to break everything down into steps. And outcome is the last thing, right? And an outcome is sold car, service car. So I want to peel it all the way back, right? So what are the steps? You need to start all the way at the front, getting all your disparate data up to a point that it's clean, organized, enhanced. Now you're able to enter the race. You're not going to enter the race until you take those steps. Now, you may have vendors come in and say, "Oh, we'll just hook up to your raw DMS, or we'll just hook up to your, systems, and it'll just work itself out." AI does not work itself out. So, to me, the starting line is clean and organized data, and then there's training on top of that, meaning not your training, meaning training the models on your data, and then looking at, okay, what do I want to activate? What are those outcomes I'm trying to achieve? As we started to break down dealership workflows, one of the things that really stood out to me was there's lots of flows that shouldn't exist at all inside the dealership's processes. And they exist because there were processes that were put in place years ago, and they still do those steps almost unnecessarily. I asked multiple like guys inside a store recently, I'm like, why do you do this? And everyone's like, I don't know. We've always done this. And I'm like, yeah, but you really don't need to do this. And they're like, well, this is the step. And you're like, yes, but why? And they're like, I don't know. So, while you're cleaning your data, you should parallel be mapping all your processes. And by doing that, you're going to set yourself up for a successful future.